Hey guys, quick little trade here for you guys. I just entered this trade. Now, first of all, this is about half the margin I would normally do. I entered this trade just to show you guys what I would do because you guys keep going into drawdowns and you shouldn't do that. Secondly, I know this is a scalp trade. This is not a green box, so I know this is not a day trade area, so I'm in it to make some quick dollars, okay? Normally, I would have made about 3 times as much on this trade, but being that I'm doing as an example, my leverage is lower and my margin is lower, but this is exactly how I would manage a scalp trade, okay? Now, this is not the big home run trade, although it could turn into that, but I would have wound up getting wrecked on this had I not managed this in this way. Now, watch, here we go. I just entered the trade and I hit screen record on my laptop, okay? And here's how I manage it. First of all, I noticed that my fee is $6, okay? So I want to make sure I at least cover that fee because I don't want to lose anything. I hate losing trades, okay? So price is moving a little bit. It's at $8 unrealized profit. I'm looking for a little more. And again, normally I'd be about 30, 40 bucks unrealized now, but it's a low margin, lower leverage. This is just an example. Boom, now it's $30 in profit. I shaved half of it off and I immediately put in my stop loss in profit immediately. So now I have realized my $6 fee plus another $6 in profit. Okay, so the fee's gone and I'm $6 in profit. And I have a stop loss. You can see now it is above the solid green line. The dotted line is above it. My stop loss is in profit. So no matter what happens, I cannot lose this trade. Now, and again, it's not the big winner trade, but that's okay. If it comes below that and I get stopped out, then I can re-enter at a better entry point. So I'm okay with that. I don't need to go on a drawdown in the negative to realize it's I don't have the best entry. I'll just get stopped out in profit, come below my entry, and I will re-enter this scalp trade if I feel like it's still a long trade to be had. Okay, and it's a good thing that I didn't because in just a second, you're going to see we would have been absolutely wrecked on this trade if I hadn't managed it this way. I would manage this scalp exactly the same way no matter what, okay? So here we go. I just realized a little more profit. So now we're $11 realized. Stop loss still there in the green. So stop loss in the profit. Price moved up. I'm going to move the stop loss up a little bit more. I'm just trailing a stop here. Trailing a stop. Boom. Look how we would have gotten wrecked right there, guys. So why go in that drawdown? I could re-enter right now if I thought this was still a good trade and I have a better entry point plus $18 secured. I realized $18 on this profit. I know it's nothing to write home about, but you get 10 of these in a day and you've made 180 bucks. You add more margin to this like I normally do in 10 of those in a day and we'd be at $400 or $500. And every once in a while, you're going to catch that runner where you make $400 or $500 or $1,000. So this is how you scalp trade. As soon as you enter, make sure you enter on a Bjorn green dot so price is already moving up quickly so you can immediately take out your fee and a little bit of profit and put your stop loss in profit. That's how it's done, guys.